Example 3, first part, we are asked to factor by grouping. So our rules say if we have 4 terms, we're going to group in pairs and factor each pair and then regroup. So we have z cubed plus 5z squared minus 4z minus 20. We're going to put these in groups. So we're going to look at z cubed plus 5z squared, and we need to ask, what do they have in common? What can we factor out? So there's no number that they have in common other than 1. They do have a z squared. So pull out the z squared. We have z plus 5. Next, we need to look at the negative 4z minus 20. Quite often when you see these two negatives, you need to pull out a negative number. 4 and 20, we can factor out a 4. So negative 4z divided by negative 4 gives us z. And negative 20 divided by negative 4 gives us plus 5. Remember, we want these to be the same. That is our goal. So then the next step was to regroup. So we have the z plus 5. This is what they have in common, and then we regroup what's on the outside, which is z squared minus 4. We have 2 terms, and it looks like a difference of squares. So this is what I'm going to do. So I have z squared minus 4. Square root of z squared is z. Square root of 4 is 2, so we'll have a plus and a minus 2. So bring down the z plus 5. And then we have the difference of 2 squares. This is 2 sets of parentheses. Square root of z squared is z. Square root of 4 is 2, so we have plus 2 and minus 2. So this is our final answer for the factor by grouping for the first example.